हेलो यू गाइस एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल निफ्टी नेहल। दिस इज नेहा हियर और आज का वीडियो है फिर से एक सेलिब्रिटी मेकअप लुक। आज मैं क्रिएट करने वाली हूँ दीपिका पादुकोण, विच इज़ वन ऑफ माय मोस्ट फेवरेट सेलिब्रिटीज़। उनका एक बहुत पॉपुलर एंड पेपी मेकअप लुक जो मुझे काफ़ी इंटरेस्टिंग लगा। शी इज़ बिन वेयरिंग अ very rustic orange kind of a dress, and the entire highlight of the look is her bold eyeliner that she rocks very nicely. So if you're interested in seeing how I created this look, then please join in for the video. Starting with moisturizing the skin, I will be using this face base from Bobbi Brown and applying it thoroughly on my skin. Next, I'll be using this primer from Milani. This is just to blur the pores before we apply any other product on the skin. I'll also be using this primer water from Smashbox. Today's pick for foundation is this K-Beauty HD Finish foundation. I really like the entire look of this foundation. It's really hydrating, moisturizing. The sheen it leaves on the skin is beautiful. Buffing it using my brush and finally just patting the sponge all around to give a very filtered look. For this look, I'm using this Huda Beauty concealer because I wanted a full coverage concealer, and this works perfectly well in that case. Buffing the concealer using this concealer brush from PAC. For highlighting concealer, my pick for today is this Maybelline Eraser Eye Concealer. This is at least 2 shades lighter than my regular skin tone, and it really brightens the skin under my eyes, nose, forehead, and all those regular areas that I want to just bring forward. Now to seal and set the makeup using this Maybelline Fit Me powder in the shade medium. Using my makeup sponge, I am just patting it gradually on all the areas wherever I applied the concealer. Now when the base is done, it's time to work on the eyebrows. I will be using this Benefit Precisely My Brows pencil. It really helps to draw fine hairline strokes and gives a very nice natural finish to the eyebrows, and that is what I'm working on. Starting with one of the most crucial parts of this look, starting with the eye makeup, I'm using the Swiss Beauty palette, which has all rustic orangish shades, taking the lighter shade and applying it on my crease, gradually building it up. Now taking this dark orange rustic color and applying it right at the corner of the eye and gradually buffing it towards the center. Using a small precise flat brush, taking this darkest brown color from the palette, applying it right at the corner of the eye, very close to the lash line, and also flicking a small wing towards the outside. I felt the look also had a little sheen on the eyes, and that is why I'm using this golden glitter shade from the same palette, applying it a little on the center of the eyelid. Again, taking an orange color, mixing it with the last rustic color that we used on the lid and applying it right in the bottom of the eye in the lower lash line. For this look, I am using this Milani baked bronzer. I felt the look had a little sheen and shine on the bronzer side, and that is why I felt this will work perfectly. Felt to add a little more bronzer, and that is why I'm using this Bahama bronzer and topping it on the places where I applied the earlier bronzer. Sticking to the same orangey rustic colors, I'm using this Sugar Cosmetics blush, which is absolutely matching with the entire eye look, and it is complementing so well with the entire look. Now it's time for the star of the look, which is the full-blown wing eyeliner that Deepika had created. I was really nervous working on it because it usually happens whenever I'm creating wing eyeliners. एक आँख पे कैसा बन जाता है, दूसरी आँख पे मैच करना बहुत difficult होता है. So I'm gradually, slowly working towards it, and I somehow managed to get it right. This is the real smile when liner on both the eyes match. Finishing the eye look with this Flower Beauty mascara. This is such a wonderful mascara. It just lifts the lashes so well and curls them as well. I am using this highlighter from Swiss Beauty. This is again a balm highlighter. Applying it on the regular areas wherever I wish to highlight, on the nose, on the cheekbones. Coming to the lips, I'm using this lip liner from MAC. This is in the shade Soar. I'm just lining my lips using this liner. For lipstick, I have chosen this one from Lakme 925 collection. This is in the shade Red Chaos, but it is not at all a red shade. It has undertones of orange and a rustic color to it, and I felt this was such a perfectly matching color, and this is how the entire look turned out to be. So that was the look. And I have changed the parting because मुझ पे center parting I don't feel was looking very great, but the entire look has turned out really well. I like the use of rustic brown orange tone shade in blush, eyeshadow and everything. I can easily and very nicely carry this look anywhere on a special event or a wedding. I hope you liked today's video. If you did, don't forget to give a thumbs up, share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe अगर आपने अभी तक subscribe नहीं किया है. Keep watching for future videos. I have some amazing videos coming up. Till then, bye bye.